The benefits of an air dryer. Here, we have the Vertool air dryer, retailing at around £160. They are excellent for motorcycles. Getting all the excess water out is crucial to keep your bike in top condition, and an air dryer is perfect for this task. They also ensure a completely dry surface before the application of any protection, such as wax or a ceramic coating. With a 2,800 watt motor, 5 meters cable plus a 5 meters hose, and a choice of nozzles, this is more than up for the task. Variable speed, plus heat if required. It is also equipped with lockable, caster wheels. Alternatively, if you're on a budget, you can opt for a pet dryer. At around 70 pounds, they are often not as powerful, and have a shorter hose and lead. They are still more than capable for drying a motorcycle.